come and say, guy, half a beg. I want to talk to this fan. Say, I suppose don't do it. Now this your organizer tell me say
people never come.
Don't do it. But I say this in a plan work. What did they sub? So that guy just follow me drag say, why go can't stop in performance? Say why go collect mic for his hand? Me and I just want to say, okay, so yeah, no verse. Oh yeah, just give me time make I follow this people talk. No verse. As I
now you
like
it down.
No verse. Now just your humbleness now. Yeah. Humbleness carry and go another level now.
I want to just ask you as somebody when you break out from TikTok, whether you like it or not, because now TikTok your song for P. And a lot of people will be there of the opinion say, oh, Fido not go past one hit wonder. You go say you don't prove those datas.
You don't prove them wrong.
You don't prove them wrong?
Yeah, actually I proved them wrong because when they talk say Fido not one hit wonder. And I came with Just Coming again. Yeah. So the moment Just Coming got released out there, everybody can observe, say, don't be the boy we talk saying I want
it wonder.
They get issue with either marketers or
record
with
label.
Record label.
Yeah.
When they start the business, when they start Wetin then they do, you know they really do
a big deal, not
a
a
big deal. You come online. If you don't get any way, if you take settle offline first.
Even for offline, settlement suppose not happen, but them not ready to settle. Even if you put this kind of thing online, what people go to think? Just come online say, oh man, now I try that assessment say anybody will talk say now then discover me, now lie you, now God discover me.
You be get show for outside Nigeria. I can't remember the Africa country. Yeah. They will constantly say you didn't need down, they beg the person may allow you perform.
I don't wait for my hotel, they wait for time when they come and say this is your call time now. You get phone to come and perform. Now people wake on day around us, we be Kenyans, come tell me say now lies. If you come Kenya, they come to you say nobody come the show. Say mo will go there. Say you pay make I go there, see the location. If I notice say people no come, they take my evidence.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Money moves we want to because everything started from our Wall streets there. Before you know, joy can't come. The next thing are money moves. No longer a one hit wonder because it don't prove yourself say you not be one hit wonder.
No be small.
Anyway, welcome back 89.9 Yanga FM.
Station with Sabi and yes, on a good evening and welcome back to Cruise Express. As it be right now, we see the on top weekend plug, but then you know say R&B, you know say when we start the show, I've been talking say today we go do a surprise for them. Now they surprise with this now.
Okay, now I get your point.
You they surprised?
I'm not this surprise because I may plan this surprise. I be seeing the surprise when you plan. Because you were shocked when I surprised you with this news. Say, see what they saw. But then again, we
all
are here right
family,
now. We are here. Anyway, my name is Tirime Ward Bob MC around B.
And my name never changed. My name is Ann Chewe. But then if you still call me Oriako Foreign, we don't show. We say we don't show.
Yeah, so and at this junction right now, we get the one and only Mr. Awolowo, Mr. Joyce Comey, and Mr. Money Move. Now, Mr. Olayemi. I don't know if it's okay to say that. We get the one and only Fido for the building. How far, brother? And how your side now?
I did very good, my brother.
Everywhere good, so everywhere good.
You didn't hear the volume of his voice.
Carry the mic, go small. Just carry and go. Make it focus on you. Now, the record for studio normally. It clear now. Everywhere good, right?
Everywhere balanced.
So first of all, congratulations on your debut EP. No, most say album. Is it EP or album? EP, yeah. This one on your debut EP, and for the, I'm not sure say you don't reach 1 full year since you break out fully. No, I know they talk about the background though. Nope. You never reach 1 full year. Yeah, because I know since last year, middle of last year, now the whole scattering and bust August, now it starts. So let's just say you don't want reach 1 year right now. Yeah. So it's almost like now the right timing to drop a debut body of work. But I want to just ask you as somebody when you break out from TikTok, whether you like it or not, because now TikTok your song for P. And a lot of people will be there of the opinion say, oh, Fido not go past one hit wonder. After a while, you know, guy one bring on that song come outside again. The worst not to do remains. You get, and you can surprise us with
another song,
which is Joy is Coming.
Joy is Coming.
At a time when no artist they get mic to drop song, which was around December, January. Why? And you go say you don't prove those datas.
You don't prove them wrong.
You don't prove them wrong.
Yeah, actually, I proved them wrong because when they talk say Fido na one hit wonder, and I came with Just Coming again. Yeah. So the moment Just Coming got released out there, everybody can observe say don't be the boy we talk say na one hit wonder. So to my job, I feel I don't prove them wrong, and there's still more to prove to them. You understand? So I never relax. More still they come. I still get more proofs to you guys show not only people for Nigeria, even outside Nigeria and across Nigeria too as well. So, yeah.
Okay, so talking about proving people wrong, say you've been there on a ranting spree few months back. You know where to go with this conversation.
Yeah, I understand.
You've been there on a ranting spree few months back, and a lot of things been caused controversies from some of the things where you talk about. But one thing we've did very outstanding from that thing where you talk, you say nobody discover me, now me discover myself.
Yeah.
You see that particular statement?
Yeah.
You unsettle a lot of people. So the question when I want to ask you is, why you make that statement?
Because now the fact be that, now the truth be that.
And you feel like, say, the industry change pattern towards you after you make the statement?
Yeah. Not the industry. I won't say the industry change pattern towards me. Now the people
around
talk
you
about,
and
them change their character towards me.
All those people know the instrumental to your success.
Now I want to ask
I not also they know the instrumental because now work we do, now business we do.
Okay.
Invest.
So now teamwork.
And you market, not teamwork. So you invest, you market, and you come out playing to me. That's all I ask for.
I want just ask, at what time this investment take on now? After the success of Awolowo or before the success of Awolowo?
Before the success of Awolowo.
So what can be the problem?
Problem is just be transparent with me.
Based on the daily, the money moves
you
and
get
the rest.
how is my song going out there? You get give me the audit. Let me see. I'm the artist.
They're not giving
you.
And
the problem you just tell me say you don't want to work with me again. See me I go say deal done off. Say you could cancel everything with I get with those other people. This and that and
so make we get them clear. This particular issue, because we been talk about marketers, the music marketers. So I want to know this particular issue we been get we make you go on that ranting spree few months ago. Now with the music marketers, or you been there under any label? Because
no, I know they under any label. I just that certain marketer where I do work with at that moment.
Okay.
And so that certain marketer do some deal on your behalf.
Yes, where they don't even let me know.
Where they don't let you know as it
and
go.
I say I'm making that just the open to
transparent.
Me. And that's so while I start.
Now not take break off.
Now so they talk say
so,
I
but why you
talk,
feel why
say I did wrong to talk?
Okay.
Within this up, I can't look say if I no talk now, and I go see say why you no talk that time. I can't talk my mind. Everybody gonna say Fido, why you go talk? I can't look say okay, no problem.
But that particular money question when be they try one get an audit on now only on Awolowo, right?
Yeah.
The success of everything when you accumulate. But you don't sorted that right now.
We see the on the matter, but hopefully it go sorted out.
Openly, but inside now see they do financial paperwork.
We see everybody I see they focus on my own. You get project. I they focus on my career too as well. So the matter just the one side. You understand? Because no be matter we if to say na matter we I feel just say we go fee
settle once and for all.
You get we go, but the matter just the prolong and at them the prolong. I'm not me the prolong. But me I just focus on my own career, my future. Na in matters.
So you at this moment.
But if now ask me to the sub, I go fit talk with the sub. Maybe people know say something the sub.
Wait till the sub.
Okay.
Since the sub, but I don't worry now. Go see.
Not be say they take money on top your head, sha. They can't expect me you pay like.
Now many you know what happen. I know not be the right time for me to clear things now. For now, so the time they come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Talking about
the small I saw for the matter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Talking about not be the right time to clear some things. R&B, say when artists they get issue with either marketers or
record
label.
Yeah.
When they start the business, when they start Wetin they do, they really do
a big deal, not
a
big
deal. And I know they put them for social media except to announce, say, okay, I did work with this person. But Wetin make when it get to a point of misunderstanding, disagreement, you come online. If you don't get any way, if you take settle offline first.
Even for offline, settlement supposed not happen. But them not ready to settle.
Now make you
so now
come online.
So me,
I don't even not me say I just come online, just say I had the para.
Okay.
Now waiting me see make me come online, say if you have put this kind of thing online, what people go they think?
Oh, they post something about you online. I make you react.
I just come online say, now I try that assessment say anybody will talk say now then discover me. Now lie you. Now God discover me.
Okay,
so now God doing make us even meet. Because we not even meet in the first place. Now the connect, now the grace. When we meet, when we do business, you get.
Because some people I think some people be really too not understand it. Some people feel say na class.
Actually, the way I take come out, people just feel say, this one just come para.
Because you don't explain, nobody know what they happen.
Just come para, won't say what they saw for here, you get. So people just feel say, what did they do this guy? I just can't talk my mind because the way I feel at that moment.
At that moment,
I just make a Google talk what these guys do.
Okay. around that same time frame, you be get show for outside Nigeria. I can't remember the Africa country.
Yeah.
They will constantly say you didn't need that. They beg the person may allow you perform. It's not our own superstar inside the country.
They can't. They don't like say they can't. They give a small problem.
What really happen? If you
no be to beg to perform. Oh. The matter long, sha, but no be to beg to perform. I know as I want to explain the situation.
Okay, you fail to come at the time when you're supposed to come.
No be say I fail to come. I supposed to come.
Yeah.
By so time because I get another flight. I got to go Ghana for another show.
Oh.
So I don't wait for my hotel. They wait for time when they come and say this is your call time now.
Yeah.
You get to come and perform. Yeah. I wait for call. Now I see text message. My manager just come and say the guy we bring us come show say people know the show. Evidence day. I don't know just post anything here, but within they solve. I just want people to do their thing. They go because time.
Maybe they assume.
Maybe they assume they go. So the time for evidence go come. I go show them. So I see I'm say show no they care. Now people we come day around us we be Kenyans. Come tell me say now lies if you come Kenya they come tell you say nobody come the show. Say mo will go there. Say pay make I go there see the location. If I notice say people no come they take my evidence. Then I think on say but I know I can't talk say because they tell me I can't go. They call later find out say this one a planned work. Say mo we gotta go the place. And so we drive me and my manager and we went to the place. On getting there, that's how we see people for there. What did they sub for here? That's how I don't say, me and I, my time for flight to Ghana. Since I don't reach seats, don't perform. I just make people go climb stage. Say, oh yeah, the guy saved the Nigerian. That guy when
organize the show.
You know even the guy where I collect mic from.
Yeah, collect mic from.
Me, I call and say, guy, half a beg. I won't quickly talk to this fan. Say, I suppose don't do now. This your organizer tell me say
people never come.
Don't do here. But I say this in a planned work. What did they sub? So that guy just follow me drag say, why go count stop in performance. Say why go collect mic from your hand. Me and I just want to say, okay, so yeah, no verse. Oh yeah, just give me time make I follow these people talk. No verse. As I go like no verse. Now just your humbleness now. Humbleness carry and go another level. Now people they say why Fido go there. I don't say, I don't know what it's up. Now me know what it's up. And I say yeah, no verse. See, I make you know make you just allow me follow these people talk.
But you not allow you perform. Can I say you come down from stage?
I can't later perform. I can't come down. I can't go meet them myself. Say more. Me na no vessel. I suppose don't reach here since say but
now misinformation.
So you feel say the organizer be the one play you.
He eventually play me because he
be never pay you.
He play me then pay the money but he gets how they take plan that show. They want to take bring out something just to tarnish my name.
Okay.
Me, I know. Because after that I later perform now. I perform everybody happy. As I want to come up for there, I still miss my Ghana flight. The show I did go for Ghana, I got refund money.
So that means those people be one just
thank God
like
the Ghanaian people say wait give me show. This guy where this Kenyan guy don't whine. Those ones too collect money for their hand. Don't use the money do it in the same use and do make it pay for my flight.
Wow.
To spend the money. That make gas pay for flights. Gas fly back to Nigeria. They don't even know how to come up for Kenya. The person will use the show.
And they no follow up.
And you say a Nigerian person.
Yes, a Nigerian person. Yes, we do this thing. Where they stay for Kenya.
They're not there in connection with your old management, Sha.
Nah, so
thank you.
Oh, Sha.
Thank you.
Okay. I don't get I see why they really paint an image of say, oh, you
you don't
because a lot of things can they go on top of online. People can they talk say it be like say Fido don't they get one kind pride. One kind pride we no go carry show that come down. But anyways, moving forward. Olayemi the EP abi Olayemi the EP you know say artist on a dey very creative and you no get anything one that they do we no get meaning so tell me wetin inspire this particular album name to be Olayemi.
The name Olayemi came about I just see myself like this Fido this now your this is not your start. This is not your journey.
Okay.
This is the beginning and the first phase of your life. Where people go know say, okay, who are you?
Truly.
You get because they talk say I came with Awolowo. You say this guy na ganja man. Actually, I the ganja normal.
On the normal.
You get. I switch. I thought I'm Mr. Lover. I still let them know say I still be lover boy you.
Yeah.
I no go think I can't switch am to Joyce come. I let them know say as I still be lover boy, I still be holy boy.
Exactly.
And I give thanks to God. So I just collate the story of my life.
Okay.
Like my upbringing, the hustle,
the journey,
the journey, everything I don't face since I don't start for this industry. So okay, yes, wait, I go title this project, make it be my name.
Olayemi. What did he mean?
Means where it suits me or where it befits me.
Yeah. Sharp.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to know this particular debut EP right now. You release under which distribution? You get any current distribution deal?
With Empire.
Yes. Right now, after the whole chaos, now this new deal come.
It's been great.
It's been good.
Yeah.
We not yet say 2 years from now.
No, brother. See,
they are dealing they different.
See, if you are playing with me, business go.
Truly.
Because me, say, if I dey work, I dey spend my energy, my time.
Yeah.
Even my emotions. Sometimes I go just the para. I'm not gonna wait till they make me the para. And I expect say what I don't want to talk too deep. Yeah. But if you dey plain, if you dey straightforward, business go smoothly. Everybody go dey enjoy. I go want to sing with happiness.
Yeah.
I don't want to stress myself. Because if I not dey happy,
right
I want
now,
to
right?
I want it truly.
Now that phase you dey right now with this new distribution deal with
I just
Empire.
enjoy myself like this. I dey sing the right song, everything dey flow. Sometimes if you dey be like say Fido dey waste time.
I'm not gonna lie.
Na plan.
I don't listen to a couple of songs of the EP.
Yeah.
Out of the 8, I think I don't probably listen to like 5, apart from the one where you don't release. And I know say you really just dey freestyle on top. But why you not feature anybody inside? Why no collabo? Wait till they try prove.
I know inside they prove anything. No.
Yeah.
No, me say I get many collabos with the but now for the future
arrangement. Okay, just want to make this Olayemi be you.
Yeah.
You know why they ask this? Because when our Waller was cut,
but actually no, future day na Baba day na Kiss Daniel day. Friday day.
That's
Joy is coming.
Now there they go. So a quick one. I don't know. Word on the street, right?
Yeah.
Say when our Waller will drop before you do remix with Tiwa, right?
Mama,
Tiwa?
yes.
Yes,
Mama, right?
Savage, yeah.
Word on the street be say na Kiss Daniel fed do call you say muna do remix.
A remix of
Okay.
yeah.
I don't know how true. I just want me you clearer. Was there any substance to that particular arrangement? But they say at that time your management office say no, will give you the boss. So now I can't go with Tiwa Savage.
No be so.
Yeah.
No, Baba no go give me the boss cake. Bad though, greatest.
But at any point you ever say you want jump on top of Awolowo?
Actually no, Baba been love the song because now Awolowo used to take Sabi me now, you understand?
Yes.
So he fall in love with the song normal. So no be say Baba go talk say Fido I want do feature on this song and I go say no. Now even Baba even also make that Tiwa matter.
Oh, now he
very possible.
Yes, now.
Okay, maybe now be the whole word on the street say.
Baba make even because when I see Tiwa video online, Tiwa video I first see online say Mama thought she loved the song, she would like jump on the song. Me for my mind, Mama has never reached out to me yet.
Yeah.
Now Kiss Daniel, Baba.
Now he tell do the
say, Fido my boy, waiting this up. Mama wants to jump on this song.
Yeah.
Give Mama the go and we kick up. Mama said, just kill it.
I don't know. You don't ever a quick one. Sorry, you don't ever get any feeling where people they tell you say you and Kiss Daniel they sing alike.
Yeah, a lot of people don't talk about.
Don't talk right,
yes.
And it can't be so na consti. It be like saying it be like your godfather for the music industry. What do you young right now?
Why they laugh now?
Yeah, no, my godfather.
Okay, wait, hold on. You they try to tell us right now, say Kiss Daniel.
No, actually, I don't get any godfather, but Kiss Daniel is my big uncle. Now, I look up to say, okay, if I get problem, I can reach out to him and say, my uncle, sweetie, they do me. Maybe I'll be your junior brother.
Yeah.
I beg, help me, uncle. Put me through. You get.
Now, true Empire take on. Now, true Empire did take on too.
Yes.
Now, what it say it's more than big brother arrangement.
Because he also did a lot in you get helping me. You get have this nice sweet structure that I have now. Me having my own label too as well, which I records as well.
Wait, set up all those things for you?
No, he just give me ideas like Fido. You can do it too as well. You understand? He make me believe in myself. Say Fido, Mafo, you get.
Okay,
you can do this.
Fido,
yeah.
This relationship where you get with Kiss Daniel now a very brotherly love relationship.
Yeah.
We appreciate him and we hope say he go last or
forever. No worry.
R&B. Innocent no be today with the here forever.
They're not the best Kiss Daniel. Who best Kiss Daniel? You not go like her.
Anyways, so moving forward, we could just wrap up with this Kiss Daniel and Tiwa Savage whole issue. Now, they try to tell us say you never do a remix with Kiss Daniel before you do with Tiwa Savage.
We don't get many remixes even for songs where we say Very soon, everybody
You go come outside. Apart from this, Joy is coming.
A lot.
So that's to say, this Joy is coming and a remix to the original one when you feature Kiss Daniel put.
Now see the same remix, nothing changed.
Change, okay.
Nothing changed at all.
Nice
Not
one.
just the same.
Same thing.
Okay, Fido, last weekend, some of us been the opportune to watch your performance for the BB Niger launch.
Yeah.
And we say you perform some of the songs, right?
Yeah.
You performed some of the songs of the EP.
No. Now my whole songs I performed Mr. Lover.
Yeah.
Awolowo, then Joyce come.
And
I feel say most people don't know say you drop Mr. Lover after.
I want to.
Yeah.
I think Money Moves too as well.
Money,
Yeah.
But then I don't know whether you see some of the controversies around your performance.
I know they look at me. The ones where I say, Fido, you look cool, you look sweet.
Now that one you focus on.
And that one you see. Okay. Because they've been talk say your
Yeah.
energy be not there on 100.
No, my energy no go down 100. Everybody who watch that video go know say.
I watch him. It was
how
good
did
to me. But then when I go online, I can't see
some people go expect.
Some people say you just come.
Some people expect to make a fly, make a do Superman for stage. No, everybody get the way they perform. So people like to sit down, good mic, perform.
Yeah.
So we just like to get.
What you say be your own style of performance?
Me, now how the mood you carry me. If the mood carry me to dance, I could dance. Nobody go force me. Now me the perform for now.
Yeah.
And I go perform for you.
I love
to
it.
feel.
Nobody go tell her
You
what to
understand?
do.
I go perform for you to feel. As far as I the preach
Give
to you.
Yeah, you get down.
You they take care of me. No worry.
No.
As far my fans they enjoy them. You where they watch am, no worry. Now just babble.
Anyway, Lion Me, the debut EP by Fido, they are right now. That's about a 8-track EP from Dollar Ball, which is like a street. I love that one. I know say DJ go roll with that one, the normal. Then Clocks did there, Joyce Coming did there, Lungu did there, Boko did there. I want just as you plus play other one. I Miss You Die. Now one of my favorite right now.
I think that's my favorite too.
You like that one,
away
right?
from me.
Yeah, we go play that one after the interview. I just want. Would it be the creative process for you when the record song? Because you say you're not normal, you did drag the right, or you did write, or you did freestyle. Which one? Would it be your creative process?
Everything join together for me because sometimes not freestyle, sometimes not right, sometimes not just how the breeze just stay blowing into my head. The inspiration will just come, and sometimes not the beat too as well.
The producer, who's the producer you work on? You usually work with?
I did work with amazing guys. They be Nature, Choke Boy, Africa, and Hike. Elvis, those are my guys. We got that start.
I see them with until now.
Yes, now we got that because.
But then,
I believe
when you've been the set up the EP, when you've been the record the EP, you feel like so you get any challenges at some point where make you feel like okay, make I never drop them. Maybe I'm not ready.
No, never felt. No, never.
You no face any challenge
at all because me, I always believe in my craft. I always believe in myself. That's why I never say I can't find the back of never lap. As far as I say, you don't lap. Everybody don't. You don't lap. You don't lap.
Or then, okay, maybe like feel like maybe that ranting spree way been go on few months ago. It go fit maybe hinder the progress of the EP.
Actually, me, I just believe say I go do my thing, and I believe say God in my back.
Okay,
yeah, because me, I know say whatever they do, I dey always dey straightforward. I always dey plain. Everybody go later see wetin dey sup. It will never be hidden.
That means the truth go come outside.
He go come outside. Even though if I die, he go come outside. Because the truth dey.
Okay. Fido, how old you be officially?
I be 29 like this.
29.
I be May 14th, 1996.
Make sure say you know age. Not me say that say. So right now, any plans of settling down, or you already settled down in low key already?
I never settled down, but I get
serious relationship.
Where you like?
Yeah, we are like.
But he like you back, Sha.
She like. She no go like.
How long would I not date together?
We don't date, but I know we talk.
But you don't say. I know say said now you go be OG. So I want to ask.
Sorry. Yeah. But hope say this woman where you like will like you pass or will like you too. Yeah. At some point we no go hear say baby mama I go end.
No. I know be the type where they do baby mama.
Me
I be the type where I go like settle with my
family
woman,
oriented.
care my picking, train my picking. build a beautiful family.
Lovely. Sounds
I love
lovely.
that. I love that. Now, before you leave us, we've been noticed a change in your hairstyle a couple of months back, and if like you don't go back to how we take know you. You be go. Who advise you go to do dread before?
Now, but
somehow they tell you say you don't work at me. They tell you. They put me like, bro, no, leave her the way we like her.
He can't come out our eye from his signature look to another look.
Even when you try color pet the hair, the dread, it not still work. But anyway, nice having you around, and I wish you more success. And when I go check out Olayemi, the debut EP by Fido, it is available on top of streaming platform right now. For you, you certainly will get favorite out of this 8 track right now, apart from ones we already did release. Which one be your favorite?
Adiboko. Oshumilongo. Emi omo logo in the one of my logo. Is it the Bakabiti Zeta Figo?
Might be your favorite. In fact, that one will play next before I will play my own favorite and Che will favorite. I miss you. Any plans to go on tour soon?
Yeah, sure. I get that for my plan. Me and my team, they work on. You get achieving greater heights, tap into other spaces.
Okay, Fido. Before you go, leave us. My name is Riako Foreign, and I like soft songs, like the one we just do. I go like maybe dedicate one song to me. You know.
Okay.
Prove a point to me.
Oh God, wahala.
You want leave me? Make I define
where you want put head.
Now where I go put head now they talk so. Talk to me. Talk to me. I hear you. Speak to me in a language I understand. No worry. Our woman they safe.
I know good they talk much for us mama.
That's okay. You want to spoil relationship. You get one here, you want to go spoil and spoil another person.
This man a traditional man. He said he go carry like 4 other women join me. I don't know. I need way out. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to the studio. And I hope say this EP it go be a sellout. It go be something we go actually just like your name, wealth. It go actually bring wealth to you and more blessings. No wahala. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, my brother. Go check out the EP right now, Olayemi. But before then, enjoy this one. We
be 89.9 Yanga FM.